They only told our stories at night because daylight wasn't brave enough. Our oral traditions were once a delight, elegant, expansive, alive. But where are our stories now? Did they migrate to Disney screens and foreign theaters? Do they flicker briefly on the televisions or whisper faintly in the classroom by day? And why were our stories always told at night? Why did our elders wait for darkness before calling forth the mystical and the fair Lajabless, seductive, deceptive, her beauty hiding danger, the Baku, smaller, clever, mischievous, laughing softly from the shadow corners? Was it because night is when temptations walks closest, when desire grows bold and warnings need to be heard without shouting? Stories disguised as entertainment but switched tightly with lessons about loyalty, greed, and consequences. Or was the night a shield, a sacred cover to protect our heritage? Flames flickering, voices low, history passed mouth to air, so it could not be stolen, rewritten, or erased. Perhaps it was simpler than that. In a time before electricity, before screens replaced storytelling, night was when families gathered under stars, around fires, sharing laughter, fear, wisdom, and truth. And maybe, just maybe, our stories never disappeared at all. They lived inside of us, in the things we were warned our children about, in the instincts we can't explain, in the chill that runs through us when the night gets too quiet, because every Caribbean soul carries a story, and some stories only awaken after dark. They told us these stories at night because daylight wasn't brave enough. If you grew up in the Caribbean, you were warned. Some stories should never be told in daylight. Remember when the lights went off and the stories finally began? Our ancestors didn't tell bedtime stories, they told survival stories. They only told our stories at night because daylight wasn't brave enough. Our oral traditions were once a delight.